We are at the Flamingo, and this room is a junior suite. This was a complimentary through Caesars because of my diamond status, not bragging, just we come to Vegas a lot and I'm a diamond status, so you don't pay resort fee, so of course there's no taxes and you get best available. So being that it's early December and it's a weekday, never many people in Vegas right now, so a good opportunity to get free upgrades to better rooms. So this is a junior suite that they upgraded us for. No additional charge at all. So this is the entry area, which is pretty cool. I've never seen one of these rooms here. So this is really nice, classic Vegas. And then you come into the living room part of the junior suite experience, which is pretty sweet. I love, love, love the retro art that they have here at the Flamingo. It's an older property, but if you get a decent room, just seeing stuff like this is pretty nostalgic. I like it. Not much of a view on this one. Actually, no view at all, but big windows, and so we'll leave that. Nice big flat screen in the living room here. Definitely like the separation. Let's check out the bedroom. This is pretty nice. The bedroom is, actually this bedroom is like a standard hotel room size in the Flamingo, so this is pretty nice here. Good for us because I happen to be working all week as we're transitioning to our new home, and I have a conference for 2 days. So this would be nice so that my wife is on one side, I can do my conference on this side, and we don't bother each other. So this is pretty nice. And one of the things that I mentioned in one of my other videos when we were at the Mirage is I'm partial to Caesars Entertainment because you get a fridge and there's nothing in it. So you can actually utilize the fridge, especially if you're gonna be traveling here for extended periods of time like we tend to do because we work remote. So it's nice to be able to buy snacks, beverages, and keep it in there. So that's always nice. This is really nice so far. Here we have your standard closet. Looks like another dresser, probably a safe in there. Which actually I would think this closet would be a little bit bigger based on the room, but yeah, that is what it is. And the bathroom. I would say this bathroom is nice, it's clean. But again, based on the size of the room and it being just kind of as big as it is, I would have thought that this would have been bigger. So this is pretty nice. It is absolutely free, so that's great. Highly recommend Flamingo. I will always recommend Flamingo. We love the location, we love the decor. It's got a classic Vegas feel to it. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, comment below. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, help us grow our little YouTube channel here. We love showing you all about Vegas, so let us know what you want to see. Thanks.